Hi, my name's Alison. I work on Communities for Work Plus, which is the Welsh Government's flagship employment support programme.
Hi, I'm Kim. I work alongside Alison. I'll be your first point of contact for Communities for Work and Communities for Work Plus, which covers ages from 16 plus.
We aim to support people who want to get back into employment or who need to improve their work situation. So that means you can be on a 0-hour contract or working part-time and still be eligible for support from us.
In an initial contact, we will assess your eligibility for our programmes to ensure we give you the best support that is available.
The journey that you go on with us is unique to you. None of our customers are the same. Everybody is wanting to achieve something different and has a different goal.
It's just helped me change my jobs. I can do what I need to do now. I can move on with my life, innit? They paid for all the courses that I needed to do at the time, which I wouldn't have been able to afford without them.
My name is Charlotte Edwards and I am the Youth Employment Mentor on the Communities for Work project in Pembrokeshire. I support 16 to 24-year-olds who are not in education, employment or training. I provide an intensive mentoring service to help individuals move forward in their journey.
Hello, my name is Aidan George and I am one of the Community Employment Mentors here on the team at Communities for Work Plus. My job is to provide one-to-one mentoring support to help you overcome your barriers and move you on into work.
We offer support with job searching and applications. We can offer support with interviews, whether that would be face-to-face or online. We can look at suitable training opportunities to help develop skills, and we are a champion when it comes to speaking to employers on your behalf.
I'm James Bryn. I'm a carer here at Hoyland Lodge. I've been here about a year now, thanks to Communities for Work. So you guys then help me with CV writing and applying for jobs and show me how interview styles work and how to communicate better.
The role of the mentor can change from person to person. This support can include CV writing, setting up work placements, helping with self-employed businesses and also helping with additional aids such as financial and housing support.
You guys then helped me with transport to and from work and clothes for work, these trousers. You guys bought me for work.
In Pembrokeshire we work out of 3 main locations, Pembroke Dock, Milford Haven and Haverfordwest. We can also use online methods and telephone conversations to keep in touch with people all around Pembrokeshire.
Hi, my name's Anthea. I came here a few months ago, particularly wanted to go into security with CFW. I was kindly offered a course for SIA, which was funded for me. I've just completed it and hopefully now I will continue and get into some employment.
As employment mentors, we work closely with the CFW Plus team. We also work with a wide range of trainers, local organisations and employers to help you get the best options to move forward into work.
My name is Catherine Ashton and I'm part of a team of employer liaison and work placement officers. We make first contact and then make relationships with different employers and businesses in the area. Everything from engineering companies to factories to the hospital, care homes, shops, offices in all the different sectors that are operating in the county. When people have got a position that becomes available, then we often get to hear about it before it's advertised and we can feed people who've been through the programme straight into that recruitment process.
Yeah, it's got me a job, I start on the 26th now, so yeah, it's worked out perfectly, so yeah, I'm all happy.
Personally, I've been wanting to do my SIA and my security badge for a long time and money was a situation with me. Then coming out of work due to the COVID and being laid off, I found this place and they've been absolutely brilliant, funding and very, very helpful, so I'd highly recommend them.
If you're not sure if you are going to be eligible for employment support through us, then just give us a call anytime. And we're happy to have a chat with you and explain a little bit more about who we are, how we work, and whether you can sign up to get support from us.
And I would 100% recommend Communities for Work to anyone who is looking, in the local area to get into work who hasn't been in work before, because you guys can't do enough for the people.